Then thank you. We move on next here tonight to our ongoing coverage of the price of paradise and perhaps some good news on Florida's insurance crisis coming down today. The state announcing that 2 new insurance companies are now entering the Florida market. This now brings the total to 4 new companies entering Florida this year. And tonight, ABC Action News reporter Stassi Almos explains what this means for homeowners.
And I redid the kitchen.
Like many Floridians, home is where Pam Hayes' insurance saga begins.
Well, we've been through multiple carriers, and a few years ago, my private carrier dropped. The state said they didn't have enough funding to support we homeowners. So I ended up going back to Citizens.
Gulfstream was her first carrier, one of more than a dozen property insurance companies operating in Florida that went insolvent or pulled out of the state in recent years. Companies have cited reasons such as lawsuit costs and roofing scams.
Getting dropped, then having to get your money, and then having to find new insurance. What's it like?
It's difficult. I mean, there's older people in my neighborhood. There's people like myself on disability or, have a disability. And it's not right. It's not fair.
New legislation out of 2 special sessions on property insurance and regular session in the last year created one ultimate safeguard for insurance companies: the ban on fee multipliers for attorneys that sue. Now, the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation says the market is seeing signs of positive growth, announcing 2 new insurance companies this week. But homeowners are still skeptical.
I want to know how much money they come in with. That's what I want to know. And how many are they allowed to carry?
Those questions are hard to answer right now. I combed through OIR documents to get as many details as possible. The first company they approved in April is Tailrow Insurance, formed as a stock corporation. Second is Mainsail Insurance Company, a Texas-based property and casualty insurer. They took part in the state's Depopulation Program, pulling 280,000 policies from Citizens Property Insurance in August. And this week, Orion 180 Select Insurance Company and Orion 180 Insurance Company out of Indiana are approved to expand into Florida. Hayes says she's grateful for new companies, but wants to know they'll pay in times of disaster, like Hurricane Ian.
My family in the South Florida area are lawyers, and they're having to sue their insurance company because they haven't paid.
Hayes said she feels safe with Citizens since it is state-backed, but OIR said the Depopulation Program is popular. This is where companies pull policies from Citizens. Mainsail is the 6th company to take part in the depopulation, but Citizens still has more than 1 million policies. Reporting in St. Pete, I'm Stassi Almos, ABC Action News.